hope you enjoy. It's much brighter, so. Okay, so I'm gonna do like toys and stuff that you guys saw like that. Well, look at this that I did. It's not just 2 circles and a blank. It's and this thing. Let's go with the stuff. Wait, right here. Oh yeah. I got something really fun that you guys will like. And there's Pokemon cards. So I'll show you all my Pokemon cards. This one. I even got these. I gave my EXs to my brother. And I got that one. I got this one. You just could barely see it. I got this one. This one. The wormy one. I got this one, and then I got a powerful trainer. I might not do all my Pokemon cards because I have way too many, and I'm going to erase all of them. Okay, Chuck E. Cheese coin. They actually have one. See that? A Chuck E. Cheese coin. Go to Chuck E. Cheese and you guys will see me. And because I basically go to Chuck E. Cheese every single day. So go to Chuck E. Cheese. Go to Chuck E. Cheese. And you guys will see me. Let me just go put my Pokemons away. And I'll show you my girly stuff, because I'm girly. So I have this, while showing someone. It's lip balm. Perfume lotion. I made it with the bottle. Didn't. I got a container. And see inside it. I got perfume. Let me go see and stuff. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one. I even got $20. Well, I'm gonna face it the other way. $20. No, that's 50. I got $50 in my pocket. Let me go put this away. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know how to do this, all you need to do like this, not this, this, yeah, so. But I'm practicing how to go. Guess what? I have a real quick toy camera. This is a JoJo camera, and it's really so how cool is this? If we can do that. So your hand, okay? So first, if you guys want to do this, it's really easy. And if you guys don't know how to do it, I'll teach you, okay? So first, your hands are like this. This thumb out, thumb out, thumb out. And then this you're going to put here. Then this you're going to put here. Then you stay it forever, but you see how long, if it's going to train you. And you have someone will train you with that. And then I'm going to show you how to do this. How to do a double joint, okay? You're supposed to do this. I can't do it because I'm a double joint. I'm not you're like how you guys do this. I'm not how you guys. I do this. If I do a 4, I have to do it like this. But I can't do it how you guys do it like that. Something I don't remember. So don't forget to go to Chuck E. Cheese, because I always go there every single day. And then now I'm gonna teach you how to do. Let's go. I'm gonna teach you some of my posters. A lot. Let's go. Okay. So I got this one for the Descendants. You guys could get this at the bookstore. That's where I got it. Guess what? I got another one. Hold on. What? Where's my my ammo's here. No! Ammo! Oh yeah, and then, because I'm just waiting for my dad to get out of the shower so I can do slime. It's gonna be really gooey. It's gonna be really gooey. So, basically what you can use since my dad's already out. Something to mix with. No. I'm gonna see if this thing's hard. I'm just gonna have to break this. Hold on. Something to mix with. I already have to mix with because I broke it. Oh yeah, this is my chart list of my friends. This is amazing. Okay, so I have the battle list. So basically it says Logan, Isabella, Jaden, Mariah, Asia, Justin, Lila, Tachana, Christian, Nick, Joshua, Chris, Chanel, which is me. My name is Chanel, like Coco Chanel. McKenna's here. Okay, McKenna, Jordan, Jonathan, Felicity, Caitlin, and the last one, Chisa, and Nevaeh. If I didn't say her, I'm so sorry because I don't know how to spell her name. Because I usually know how to spell Ariane's name, okay? Ready. I don't want to do it in front of you. Oh yeah! And this, the Nerf one. That's what you say. Okay, so if you have a cotton, just take it off because I'm about to do slime right now. Okay, just take the cotton off. That's what I'm doing. Oh yeah, about this Nerf gun. I have a Mega one. You get them at the Walmart. It's really fun to play with too. But the ingredients you're gonna be needing is what is this called? What is this called? Toothpick, I think? No, it doesn't. a cleaner to clean your ears, but I just took the fur out. So you're going to be needing this. You're going to be needing something to mix in. I have a Gatorade. I finished it off. A Gatorade. You are going to be needing glue. It has to be glue, but if you don't have glue, you could just, but you have to use glue too. But you have to use, if you don't have glue, okay. If you don't have glue, let's see if I'm gonna try to take this out because I haven't came out for a long time. Wait, how did that happen, dude? It was in here. Boom! It just came out, dude. That's it. Hold on. I'm trying to get the glue. I swear I have glue in here. Wait, I think it's... Holy fudge, see? All the white stuff. There's still glue in there, but... just to see. That's the same. Hold on, because I need to call my... Just kidding. I call her when I'm done with my video, because I do 3 videos a day. Why? See? It came out. The glue came out. The next ingredient, so the ingredients you're going to be needing, this is not a ingredient, but this is Tropic. And something to mix with. And you're going to be needing glue. Like I say, you only have to use this one. If you don't have this glue, you still have to have glue. Or you could use glue, and if it's not sticky, the slime, because this might not be sticky. If the slime's not sticky, then you have to use another bottle of glue. Not the whole thing, a little bit. And that's it. And as you can see, I already made the slime. Wait, hold on. You still see my hold on here. You're going to watch this glue. Okay. Get out. No, it's not. Okay. It's in this container. It got really tough though. So, as you can see, I already made my slime. It's kind of like rubber because it dried and I keep it in a container that has holes. But I don't know what. See? See, it's fine. But you use this container to put it in. So, let me get my other tablet. This is I'm not actually copying it, but this is a video we're going to be doing. Yeah, it's this one. Wait, what just happened? Hold on. I'm trying to find it again. I know how to do it, but I'm just showing you guys. Because I'm taking so